Welcome back. Let's learn animal names and their sounds. Let's go! First animal is cow. Can you say with me? C-O-W. Cow says moo. Cow. Duck. Say with me, duck. Duck says quack quack. Duck. Dog. Say it with me, dog. Dog says woof woof. Dog. Next animal is a cat. Say it with me, cat. Cat says meow. Say it with me, cat. Horse. Say it with me, horse. Horse says neigh. Horse. Sheep. Say it with me, sheep. Sheep says baba. Sheep. Pig. Let's say it together, pig. Pig says oink oink. Pig. Chicken. Let's say it together, chicken. Chicken says cluck cluck. Let's say it together, chicken. Goat. Say it with me, goat. Goat sound is bleat. Goat. Here comes rooster. Let's say it together, rooster. Rooster sound is crow. Let's say it together, rooster. Frog. Let's say frog. Frog sound is croak. Lion. Let's say it together, lion. Lion roar. Let's say it together, lion. Elephant. Let's say it once again, elephant. Elephant says trumpet. Elephant. Owl. Say it once again. Owl. Owl says hoot hoot. Owl. Bee. Say it with me. Bee. Bee sound is buzz. Bee. Rabbit. Say it with me. Rabbit. Rabbit squeaks. Rabbit. Donkey. Let's say it again. Donkey. Donkey sound is bray. Let's say it again. Donkey. Turkey. Say it again. Turkey. Turkey gobbles. Turkey. Peacock. Let's say it together. Peacock. Peacock sound is scream. Let's say it together. Peacock. Deer. Let's say it again. Deer. Deer sound is bleat. Let's say it again. Deer. That was so much fun learning animals' name and their sounds. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Zoo Zoo Funhouse. Hi kids! Are you ready to learn about animals and colors? Let's meet some amazing animals, learn their names, their colors, and find objects around us with the same colors. Let's start! This is a red fox. Its fur is shiny and red, and it has a big bushy tail. Foxes are clever and love to explore forests at night. What's the color of this animal? Red. Now what's something you see every day that's red? Maybe a red apple or a red stop sign? Say it with me. Red fox. Here's a gray elephant. It's the largest land animal and has thick gray skin. Elephants use their long trunks to grab food and even take showers. What's the color of this animal? Gray. What's something gray around you? Maybe a gray rock or a gray cloud. Say it with me. Gray elephant. This tall animal is a yellow giraffe. Its fur is bright yellow with brown spots, and it has a long neck to reach leaves on tall trees. What's the color of this animal? Yellow. What's something yellow you see every day? Maybe a banana or the shining sun. Say it with me. Yellow giraffe. Look at this black and white zebra. Its stripes are so unique. No two zebras have the same pattern. Zebras love to run in grassy fields. What's the color of this animal? Black and white. What's black and white around you? Maybe a piano keyboard or a black and white soccer ball. Say it with me. Black and white zebra. Here's a blue peacock. Its feathers are bright blue and green, and when it dances, its tail spreads out like a rainbow. What's the color of this animal? Blue. What's something blue you can find? Maybe the sky or a blue crayon. Say it with me. Blue peacock. Look at the mighty orange tiger. Its fur is bright orange with bold black stripes. Tigers are great swimmers and love to roar. What's the color of this animal? Orange. What's something orange you see every day? Maybe a juicy orange fruit or a traffic cone. Say it with me. Orange tiger. This is a soft and fluffy white rabbit. Rabbits love to hop around and munch on vegetables like carrots and lettuce. What's the color of this animal? White. What's something white you see every day? Maybe a fluffy cloud or a piece of paper. Say it with me. White rabbit. Here's a graceful pink flamingo. Its feathers are bright pink and it loves to stand on one leg in the water. What's the color of this animal? Pink. What's something pink around you? Maybe a pink flower or a pink balloon. Say it with me. Pink flamingo. This strong animal is a brown bear. It has thick brown fur and loves to catch fish in rivers. Bears also love honey. What's the color of this animal? Brown. What's something brown you can find? Maybe a brown tree trunk or a chocolate bar? Say it with me. Brown bear. Look at this jumping green frog. It's small and bright green, and it croaks loudly near ponds and rivers. What's the color of this animal? Green. What's something green around you? Maybe a green leaf or a green caterpillar. Say it with me. Green frog. Here's a cuddly red panda. Its fur is a warm red, and it has a long, bushy tail with stripes. Red pandas love eating bamboo and climbing trees. What's the color of this animal? Red. What's something red you see every day? Maybe a juicy strawberry or a red toy car. Say it with me. Red panda. This is the sleek black panther. Its shiny fur is completely black, and it's known for being quiet and stealthy in the jungle. What's the color of this animal? Black. What's something black you see around you? Maybe a black bag or a black hat. Say it with me. Black panther. Look at this delicate purple butterfly. Its wings are bright purple and covered with beautiful patterns. Butterflies love to sip nectar from flowers. What's the color of this animal? Purple. What's something purple around you? Maybe a purple grape or a purple crayon. Say it with me. Purple butterfly. This cheerful yellow duck loves to splash in ponds. Its feathers are sunny yellow, and it quacks loudly when it's happy. What's the color of this animal? Yellow. What's something yellow you see every day? Maybe a lemon or a yellow flower. Say it with me. Yellow duck. Here's a graceful white swan. Its feathers are pure white, and it glides smoothly across lakes. Swans are known for their long necks. What's the color of this animal? White. What's something white around you? Maybe a white pillow or white milk. Say it with me. White swan. This chatty green parrot loves to talk. Its feathers are bright green, and it enjoys eating fruits and seeds. What's the color of this animal? Green. What's something green around you? Maybe a green apple or a green traffic light. Say it with me. Green parrot. Here's the majestic blue whale. Its skin is a deep blue, and it's the largest animal in the world, living in oceans. What's the color of this animal? Blue. What's something blue you can find? Maybe a pair of blue jeans or a blue sky. Say it with me. Blue whale. Look at this happy orange clownfish. Its body is bright orange with white stripes. Clownfish love hiding in sea anemones for protection. What's the color of this animal? Orange. What's something orange you see around you? Maybe an orange ball or an orange pumpkin. Say it with me. Orange clownfish. This is a wise brown owl. Its feathers are brown, and it loves to hoot at night while hunting for food. What's the color of this animal? Brown. What's something brown around you? Maybe a wooden table or a loaf of bread? Say it with me. Brown owl. Here's a dazzling pink starfish. Its body is soft and pink, and it lives on the ocean floor, moving slowly on its tiny feet. What's the color of this animal? Pink. What's something pink you see every day? Maybe a pink cupcake or a pink flower. Say it with me. Pink starfish. Wasn't that fun, kids? We learned so many animal names and their colors today. Remember to look around you and spot objects with the same colors. What was your favorite animal? Tell me in the comments. See you next time for more colorful adventures. Bye-bye! Hi there, friends! Are you ready for an exciting safari adventure? Let's hop into our safari jeep and explore the wild. Hold on tight. It's going to be fun. Let's go! Wow, look up, everyone. It's a giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth. Did you know they can grow as tall as 18 feet? That's super tall. Giraffes love to eat leaves from trees, especially acacia trees. Their long necks help them reach the highest branches. And guess what? They use their 18-inch tongue to grab the leaves. Isn't that cool? Let's wave goodbye to the giraffe. Bye, giraffe. Look over there. It's an elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals. Do you see their big trunks? They use their trunks to drink water, eat, and even give themselves a shower. Elephants eat grass, leaves, and fruits. Did you know an elephant can eat up to 300 pounds of food a day? That's like eating 1,500 apples. Let's wave to our elephant friends. Bye, elephants. Oh, look at those striped beauties. It's a zebra. Each zebra has its own unique pattern of black and white stripes, just like a fingerprint. Zebras love to munch on grass all day. They even sleep standing up to stay alert for predators. Isn't that smart? Let's wave goodbye to the zebras. Bye, zebras. Shh, everyone, it's the king of the jungle, the lion. Lions are strong and powerful. They love to eat meat and hunt in groups called prides. Did you know that lion cubs are super playful, just like you? And a lion's roar can be heard from 5 miles away. Wow! Let's say goodbye to the lions. Bye, lions! Whoa! Do you see that big animal? That's a hippo! Hippos love to stay cool in rivers and lakes. They eat grass, and even though they're so big, they can run really fast on land. Amazing, right? Let's wave goodbye to the hippos. Bye, hippos! Wow, look at that beautiful pink bird. That is a flamingo. Did you know their pink color comes from the food they eat, like shrimp and algae? Flamingos love to stand on one leg. Can you try standing on one leg like a flamingo? Let's wave goodbye to these graceful birds. Bye, flamingos! Look up there, it's a monkey. Monkeys are super playful and love climbing trees. They eat fruits, nuts, and even insects. Did you know monkeys sometimes help clean each other's fur? That's called grooming. Let's wave goodbye to the monkeys. Bye, monkeys! Whoa, do you see that spotted cat? This is a cheetah. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals. They can run up to 60 miles per hour. Cheetahs love to eat meat, especially gazelles and antelopes. Let's wave goodbye to these speedy cats. Bye, cheetahs! Listen, do you hear that howl? It's a wolf! Wolves are great hunters and work together as a team. They eat meat and can live in forests, mountains, and even snowy areas. Let's say goodbye to the wolves. Bye, wolves! Look at this powerful animal. It's a rhinoceros. Rhinos are super strong and have thick skin. Did you see its horn? It's made of the same stuff as your nails. Rhinos eat grass and leaves. Let's wave goodbye to the rhino. Bye, rhino! Look at that colorful bird. It's a parrot. Parrots love to eat seeds, nuts, and fruits. Did you know parrots can mimic sounds, including human speech? Let's wave goodbye to these chatty birds. Bye, parrots! Boing, boing! Look at that kangaroo hopping around. Kangaroos are amazing jumpers and carry their babies in pouches. They eat grass and leaves and can hop as far as 25 feet in one jump. Let's wave goodbye to the kangaroos. Bye, kangaroos! Look at that big furry bear. Bears love eating fish, berries, and honey. Did you know they hibernate in the winter? That means they sleep for months. Let's wave goodbye to the bears. Bye, bears. Wow, look at those dazzling feathers. It's a peacock. Peacocks love to eat grains, seeds, and insects. When they spread their tail feathers, it looks like a beautiful fan. Let's wave goodbye to the peacocks. Bye, peacocks. What a wild adventure we had. From flamingos to peacocks, we met so many incredible animals and learned all about their eating habits. Which animal was your favorite? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.